Hi, my name is Charles Peter, a registered valuer who is practicing in Kenya with over 20 years in the valuation field. And I know many times you have asked yourself, what is property valuation all about? What is real estate valuation? And I just want to use a minute and maybe let you know what is valuation. Valuation is the determination of property values for different purposes. There are various purposes why people would require a valuation. For example, maybe you want to get a loan from a bank. If you go to the bank, they'll ask you, do you have security or collateral? And you'll tell them, I have a piece of land. How much is it? You cannot tell. They'll tell you to get a valuer to determine that property's value. You have a property and you want to insure. How much are you going to insure it for? Maybe you might think that the cost of construction is the value, but let me tell you there is a difference between cost and value. You will need a valuer to advise you on what is the value of that particular property. Maybe you want to transact, to buy or to sell. You need a valuer. What about your accounts? What value do you put for your property in the balance sheet? You need a valuer. Valuers come to advise on what is the value of a property at a given location, at a given point in time, because again, values keep on changing. The values of properties before an election year are totally different from the values after an election year. Don't just assume that you know. It is important for you to get the right value for your property. Have your loved ones ever been locked in court? They'll tell you, we need a surety, maybe for a bond. You know what they're telling you? If you have a property and a value assesses the value of that particular property and it's equivalent to the amount they are asking you, your loved one can get out. Don't just say, this is the value of my property. Get a registered and a licensed valuer to help you. Charles Peter, a registered and a licensed valuer practicing in Kenya. Thank you so much.